welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be making a simple and delicious smoothie. If today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Billie. On this channel we bring you a variety of recipes, lifestyle as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. So this recipe is very easy and simple to make. With just 3 ingredients you have this delicious smoothie. So let's get into today's video. These are my ingredients which I'm going to be using. I've got 1 ripe mango. I'm going to be using avocado as well as banana. So let's get into today's video. I'm going to peel the banana. Transfer this into my blender. Yeah, I'm just going to set this aside, and now I'm going to be cutting my mango. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please press on the subscribe button and remember to click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Here's my avocado. So we scoop the avocado in there. This avocado is really ripe. So here it is. I'm just going to add a little bit. I'm going to add some water to blend. I'm going to add some water. Now I'm going to blend. Look at that, guys. Wow, look at that. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is smooth. Wow, let's serve. So guys, here's my smoothie. It's now ready. You can have this in the morning. It's very nourishing and healthy. Let's have this smoothie. It tastes yummy. So guys, thank you for joining me again for another beautiful recipe that I bring your way today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share to families and friends, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Press on the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.